This model M7D5MPOE is a 5 megapixels HD dome camera. The size of video and image maximum is 2592 by 1944 pixels. This demonstration is illustrating how to do a setup in the hardware before the installation. Connecting an Ethernet cable to a PoE switch. The back of the camera has 3 holes for the screws installing on the wall or ceiling. And there is a built-in microphone on the camera. In the cable harness, it is a power 12 volts DC connector. It is a reset button. It is an RJ45 connector. Connect it to the Ethernet cable. The green indicator light is up.
Next step, download a Microseven cam locator software from www.microseven.com. In Microseven.com website, go to Downloads. Select Firmware and Software menu, and click on it. In the Firmware and Software downloads, find Microseven with Cam Locator for Windows version, click on Download now. A notification will appear at the bottom of the Edge window. Click on Save. Then click on Run. An Open File pop window opens. Now click Run to install the software on the Windows computer. Next step, find a camera and set it up before the installation via Microseven Cam Locator. Go to click Microseven Cam Locator icon on the PC desktop. To open a Cam Locator window, find a Microseven camera and click Open. A browser window opens, and a log-in window pops up. You will enter a username and a password. The username and password is admin and password. They are all lowercase. After you pass the login page, click the Live View button at the home page. Now, the camera setup before the installation is completed.